Come up a little bit higher now. I want you to work up towards the shoulder. In between the shoulders. And then roll back down. Soften the ribs. So as you roll up, belly button drawn in. That nice release. One more time and hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it there. Let the shoulders relax, let the arms relax, palms facing up to the ceiling. And now roll back down. I want you to move your body slightly over now to right hand side. So I'm just going to move my pelvis over slightly, then my ribs, and then my shoulder girdle, and my head. So now you should feel the roll, and also on your left hand side. Take your arm, left arm up, out to the side, and can you feel it just gets right into that shoulder blade. Give it a little bit of a circle round. Get the elbow doing a bit as well. I'm going to take the whole arm now, all the way up and over. That feels lovely. And then all the way back. And up. And then as you take the arm up, just take the hand as if you're moving across to touch your right ear. I'm wrapping it across the top of the head. And then I'm going to take the arm all the way out to the side and all the way back down towards the outside of my thigh. And then I'm going to do that again. So the arm comes around the outside, all the way up, as if I'm trying to touch my right ear. And then back, and let it just relax to the floor. Now I want you to come into your bridge. You're going to be working harder on your right hand side, because that's all your weight's sort of over there. And just push into that shoulder. And if you want to do a bit of a shoulder circle, which I feel like doing, and it's really getting right underneath and sort of into that, underneath that shoulder blade. That's where we've got a lot of muscle attachments and where we can get a lot of sort of tendinitis and tendinopathies around that area. So just an impingement, shoulder impingement. Circle it around and then relax. Lower yourself down and move yourself back to centre. Let yourself just rest there a moment. Might feel the inner thighs doing a bit because you've got that ball there. Now move over towards your left hand side. So now you can feel the same thing but on the right side. Have a bit of a wiggle around first. And then float up that right arm. I'm just going to take it out to the side, see how that feels. Feels nice. Then take it up and above the head. And bring it back up. Let it go down. Just get everything, you're looking and you're feeling for any sort of nodules of tension.